If your kitchen cabinets are looking tired, sticky, or just plain dated, you're probably stuck on the same question I hear all the time. Can I paint these myself without making a mess of the whole kitchen? I've seen this go wrong enough times to know the big rule: prep matters way more than the paint can. We're walking through the whole process, taking everything apart to that last cure time, so you get a finish that actually holds up. Before any paint touches a cabinet, get the doors, drawers, and hardware off the boxes. That little bit of disassembly keeps everything cleaner and gives you access to the edges that always get missed. I've seen people try to paint around hinges, and it usually ends in drips, fingerprints, and regret. Now, wipe every surface like the paint depends on it, because it does. Grease from cooking, hand oils, and old cleaners will fight your primer if you leave them behind. The mistake I see all the time is using a damp rag and calling it good, but cabinet boxes usually need a real degreaser and a second pass. This is the part people want to skip, especially if they're chasing painting kitchen cabinets without sanding. Honestly, a light sand and a little filler make a huge difference. You're knocking down the sheen, smoothing chips, and fixing dents, so the finish doesn't telegraph every old nick once the light hits it. Primer is where the job starts acting like a real cabinet repaint, instead of a weekend experiment. Use a bonding primer that fits your surface, especially if you've got slick factory finish or stained wood bleeding through. Skipping this is how tannins, old color, and patchy sheen show up later, usually right where you can't ignore them. For the first coat, go thin and even. That's the whole game. Whether you're brushing, rolling, or spraying, you want coverage without heavy buildup, because thick paint looks great for about 10 minutes and then starts sagging at the corners. I'd rather see a slightly sheer first coat than a loaded one. After the first coat dries, give it a very light sand, just enough to knock off dust nibs and tiny brush marks. Then apply the final coat. This is where the finish starts looking intentional. Skip the heavy pressure though, because trying to sand through fresh paint is a fast way to create more work. Now let the paint cure before you hang everything back up. Dry to the touch isn't cured, and that's the part people underestimate. If you reinstall too soon, you can dent the finish, stick the doors, or leave hinge marks. Give it the full time the label calls for, then reattach carefully. The part most people want to rush is the part that decides whether the cabinets look good for 6 months or 6 years. If you do the prep, use a solid primer, and give the paint time to cure, you'll end up with a finish that feels worth the work. If this helped, subscribe, like the video, and visit omnihomeideas.com for the full guide. I'm Brad, and I'd rather tell you the honest version than sell you a shortcut that fails later.